Hello, everybody. All right, we are going to tackle level 7. But before we head there, I want to show you that yes, it is possible to do this. I know you can, and here is an example of how I did it. So we have the first page. We have a new link. Click here for tips on taking care of your hair. And when I click on it, it takes me to the page for tips for curly hair, tips for straight hair, and tips for hair in general. And then when I am ready, I'm going to click go back and head back to that page. So if you follow these directions, you can do that too. And then when I go through and grade it, I will be giving you an extensive evidence because you'll have everything correct. All right. So with that, we're going to click the orange finish button and we're going to go look at level 7, which is the reflection. Now, um, a lot of you just say, I think I deserve, oh my gosh, deserve a, and then you tell me and then you press submit. That's not what I'm looking for. What you should be doing is answering these 4 questions. So I'm just going to copy and paste them down here. So how did you know how to complete the assessment? Oh wait, no, okay, we got to start here. All right, so how do you think you did according to the rubric below and why? I believe I scored a blank on the rubric because, and then this is where you're going to tell me why. All right. How did you know how to complete the assessment? Um, and everyone might be different. You might be, well, I looked at the documentation, or I followed along with the YouTube tutorial, or whatever have you. And so this one's going to be answered with, etc. So I knew how to complete the assessment because I did all of the previous skill building and practice levels. All right, what was easy about the task? What was challenging? So what was easy about the task was, for me, the easy part was creating a new HTML page and copying the code over. So that was easy. The challenging part, again, for me, was remembering how to make the links without looking at the resources. I was challenging myself, and I'm proud to say I did it. So there we go. What did you do to overcome the challenging part? I believed in myself. I did. I knew the resource was there if I needed it, but I was able to push myself and do it without. There we go. Any more questions? What questions do you still have? None at this time. Okay, there we go. And that is what you should be turning in when you've answered all 4 of these questions. Then you can press the red submit button, not red, orange, the orange submit button. I'm getting a little tired. It's getting there. The orange submit button, and let's move on to the next level because, my darlings, you absolutely need to do this last level. Here we go. Click, and I'll see you over there.